Alright guys, I'm out in the garage today. I've got some repair work to do. This corroded battery terminal here is froze up, and I'm going to have to get that loose on my Royal Star Venture and reinstall a battery. I'm also going to be opening this up for the HeliBar installs, and I don't know if I'm going to get to it today or not, but I'm going to start work on installing my hitch and doing my isolator and sub harness and all, so I can trailer my little Chevy Bel Air here on my 22 wing. I've got a hitch over here on the Royal Star. At least I've got it in line, but I'm going to install one on the Goldwing. So ride along, maybe I'll have some videos for you to watch. First thing I'm going to do is get up here and have to get this panel open on this Goldwing. Let's see what I'm going to have to do here. Looks like I've got a pop pin to take out here and here. And then I'm going to pull these pieces up, remove the bolts under here, push this up, pull it back, and that should get me access to my bars and all again. So alright, so let's get started here. Let me get this and push that first little pop pin there. Now I guess I can do one side here at a time. I need a smaller screwdriver. Get over here. Let's see what we got here. Pop that out real easy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that popped that one out. I'm going to lay it over here on the seat. And, well, what the heck. Let me get over here. Turn my wheel. See if I can't pop this other one out here. Definitely want them out of the way. Alright, so see those little push pins I've got now out of the way. And let's see how hard that's going to be. Okay, there we go. That one's up. See if I can get this one to pull up, pop up too. Yeah. Okay, and I'm going to have to get down here and get these little Allens out. And so let me get something. See what it's going to take on those. Oh, let's go over here to the Allen section. I'm not sure what size that is. I'm going to take this ball set over and see if I can't find something with it. And before I go much further, I'm going to get some cover too. Let me come over here, get some covers. Cover my bike here and protect this. Oh, throw me some covers up here. All right, now let me see if I can find out what size I'm going to need to get under here and get that one out. That's not quite big enough. So Okay, I believe that's gonna be the one. Yeah. All right. So before I go any further, let me get under here. Let's see. All right. Then if you come back over here, you get a flashlight, and you can see under here basically. I'm just taking that out at an angle. Okay, that one's loose. I'll do the same over here. And I see there's another push pin there I'm going to have to get. Let me catch this little screw here. And I see a little push pin there. And let me reach in here and get this one out. Okay. And let's see, let me see what those are. Yeah, there's two little push pins there, so I'm going to use this flat screwdriver, and let me see if you can see. There's one there, so I'm going to reach in there and get that loose. Pull that out too. Okay, there's that one. And so there's going to be one over here. Do the same. Okay, and there's that one. Now, let me just check my work here. Alright, so that pin is out. I took that Allen out. I took that pop pin out there. I don't see anything else there. I don't see anything else here, and pop pins out there. So I believe I am ready now to remove this. Yes, I am. Okay. And just work it out. Lay it back over, and now I have access now to the handlebars. Okay, so now the rest is just tightening up and all. But anyway, that's the way to open up and get down to those handlebars on the 22 here, and I'm sure 18 Goldwing.